What's up, guys? So, Interlink just dropped a new update, and this update is about the security cycle. In today's video, you're going to learn how to add someone to your security cycle and how to also join another person's security cycle. Now, if you come over here, this is the news section right here. If you click on that right now, you'll see that this has changed to the security group section. Okay, the news section has been replaced with the security group section, and for you to join the security group section right now, you have to create a group which you impute a group member code, then send them your code to so they can also join the security cycle. Let me show you what I mean. Now if I click on this plus icon right here, let me click on this. I'm going to create my group ID, and I'm going to simply type in Dan Pat Crypto, and this is mine. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on save right now. So you can see right here, this group has been created. So if you want to add a member right now, what you have to do is to click on this box right here that says add member, right? So this is what you're meant to click on. But before I do this, let me just go back by clicking on this arrow right here so you can see what I did, right? So this is what I did. I clicked on this plus icon right here, and I created a group, which is this, right? So from my little research I did, you can create about 6 groups. Now, this is just a brief explanation of this. I might dive deeper into this in the coming days, right? But I just want you guys to know that this update is out and you need to participate in it. So if you want to open that interface that we just arrived in a few seconds ago, simply click on this very bar right here that says not ready. Just click on this, and you can see this is the security cycle. Now, this is currently displaying red right here, and this is because I don't have any member in this very security group or this group right now. But if you have a member, it would display green, right? This will display green. As you can see right here, the instruction states that green is active, red is inactive, and this signifies it is empty, right? So it's all empty right now. No one is here right now. So I want to add someone. So to add someone right now, I'm just going to click on this right now, which is add a member. Click on this, and then enter the code of the person that wants to join this group, right? Someone is going to send you a code. They're going to send you their code, and then you add that very code right here, right? So I'm going to add mine right now, and I'm going to click on OK. Okay, you can see I just created my invite link. So I'm going to pick this very code right now by clicking on copy, and then I'm going to send this code to that person so that they can also join the group. Or I'm just going to simply click this copy icon right here, and the link will be sent to them, right? So this is just a brief video. I'm going to show you a detailed way on how to do this, but this is just a brief video on how you can join my security cycle and how I can join yours. So I'm going to send that code to them right now. So luckily, this very person joined immediately, and you can see right here it's still showing inactive, and that's because he is now one of the pool members right here. Okay, so by the time I get about 3 more people right here, this will be complete and the pool will be complete, and I'll begin to claim from this very pool. So the way it works is that if I want to invite someone right now, I would have to give them my account ID. All right, my invite code. The invite code I'm talking about is this one you see here. Let me go to the home section right now and click on the profile at the top right corner of my screen and click on referrals. You can see this invite code right here. This is the code we are talking about. If you go back to the security cycle section, you see the code right here. This is the same code we are talking about. So if you give someone this and they impute it in their group, they would have to send you the code that appears. Immediately they impute this very invite code right here. So once you fix in that code in yours, automatically you'll be part of their security cycle. And the way you fix in that very code in yours is by clicking on add member right here. And once you click on add member, you fix in that very code right here. Or you can ask them to send you the link that appears. Immediately they put in your invite code, and you follow that link and you join the group, and that's how you join this security cycle. So this is basically the update I want to bring to your notice today. Now, all this won't make sense if you're not consistent. Whoever is going to be joining my security cycle is someone that is going to be consistent. I'm not going to really pick just anyone. I want people that are actually going to be active. So you have to be active for each and every one of us to benefit, right? So this is basically what you need to know. You need to be consistent and you need to be active doing this always, right? So that you benefit and everyone benefits, and it's a win-win situation for everyone, right? So this is basically what you need to know regarding this very update. I hope you got value. If you did, I would appreciate it if you leave a like and share this video so that others could learn about this very update. Also subscribe if you haven't and turn on your notifications for future videos. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.